Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a review on the Ali Bank. We're gonna be talking about the pros, cons and more, as Ali Bank is one of the most recommended online banks and it is for good reason. But how does Ali really stack up for your banking needs? In this kind of review, we're gonna be assessing Ali Bank's interest rates, features, fees, customer support and more. As for a quick overview of the Ali Bank itself, it's an online-only bank that provides services such as high-yield savings accounts, interest-earning checking accounts, certificates of deposit, online trading through the Ali Invest, home loans and mortgage refinancing. Ali has grown to over 10 million customers enticed by benefits such as the no monthly fees or the minimum balances. You've got the early direct deposit and 24/7 live customer support. So their focus is delivering modern digital banking experiences, higher interest and low fees. But does the reality really match the hype? One of Ali's biggest differentiators is their lack of fees. Ali's checking and savings accounts come with no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance fees, no overdraft fees and free checks, debit card and bill pay. This makes them extra beginner friendly, however there are still some rare fees to be aware of. You've got the excessive transaction fees, as over 6 withdrawals from savings per month incurs a $10 fee per transaction, but Ali often waives this fee if asked. You've also got the out-of-network ATM fees, as you can be charged by ATM owners as usual, and Ali refunds up to $10 per statement cycle through. You've also got the wire transfer fees, as incoming domestic and international wires are free, but the outgoing costs $20 plus. So while it's not 100% fee-free, as no bank really is, Ali Bank still offers one of the most fee-friendly account packages around. Ali Bank is well known for offering high interest rates across their deposit accounts. Here are their current rates compared to national averages. Ali Bank's savings account has 4.25% APY, and for the checking APY it is 0.10%, whereas the CD rates are 5.15% annual percentage yield. So the rates are over 20 times higher than brick and mortar banks, and this pays off big for storing your savings or emergency fund at Ali. One key advantage is there are no hoops to jump through to earn Ali's high interest, and no minimum balances or direct deposit requirements. As interest is compounded daily and paid monthly, the only catch is rates can fluctuate over time with market changes, but Ali has a track record of paying well. In addition to standard checking and savings, Ali Bank provides these account options. You've got the high yield savings, as flagship savings account with high interest and no fees, comes with debit card access, easy to open and start earning. There's also the interest checking. This one is free checking account with a debit card, checks and overdraft protection, minimal 0.1% APY interest and no fees. You've also got the money market account, as you can earn interest like savings with check and debit card access. However, this one requires a $10,000 minimum opening deposit. And finally, there's Ali Invest, as it is self-directed trading of stocks, ETFs, options and forex. This one has $0 in commissions but $50 minimum to open. So Ali provides a range of core deposit accounts to meet different kind of needs, plus the online investing if you want it all under one provider. And just like any online bank, Ali's mobile application is the main way to manage your accounts. Their application earns 4.8 out of 5 stars on the App Store based on 30,000 plus ratings, and it provides convenient access to check balances, deposit checks, pay bills, transfer money and so much more. Everything is intuitive and matches the web functionality, and the downsides would be slightly longer than average login times occasionally. And some of the features, like for example the check deposit, can be a little bit clunky, but overall Ali's app provides a smooth interface for managing your accounts digitally. So overall, Ali Bank delivers a stellar online banking option with great interest, no hidden fees and top tier convenience features for the digital age. Thanks so much for watching this kind of overview. I really hope that this video was helpful or informative to watch. If it was, let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create similar to this one.